Hello kids, today we will learn about flowers name. Let's start.
Hello, I am Rose. Rose, Rose, Rose. I am Rose. Rose, Rose, Rose. Meet my friend Marigold. Marigold, Marigold. Hello, I am Lotus. Lotus, Lotus. Meet my friend Hibiscus. Hibiscus, Hibiscus. I am Lotus. Lotus, Lotus. Meet my friend Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Hello, I am Lily. Lily, Lily. Meet my friend Daisy. Daisy, Daisy. Hello, I am Lily. Lily, Lily. Meet my friend Daisy. Daisy, Daisy. Hello, I am Jasmine. Jasmine, Jasmine. My friend is Tulip. Tulip, Tulip. I am Jasmine. Jasmine. My friend is Tulip. Tulip, Tulip. Hello, I am Sunflower. Sunflower, Sunflower. My friend is Daffodil. Daffodil, Daffodil. Hello, I am Orchid. Orchid, Orchid. My friend is Dahlia. Dahlia, Dahlia. I am Orchid. Orchid, Orchid. My friend is Dahlia. Dahlia, Dahlia. Now repeat everyone. Rose, marigold, lotus, hibiscus, lily, daisy, jasmine, tulip, sunflower, daffodil, orchid, dahlia.